Health benefits of vitamin D3 and vitamin K2 explained. Lately, vitamin D3 and vitamin K2 have been creating a lot of buzz. Let's explore the health benefits of vitamin D3 and vitamin K2 and decide for ourselves if they are indeed worth all the attention. First, we need to understand the importance of each of the vitamins, vitamin D3 and vitamin K2. Vitamin D3, also known as cholecalciferol, is a form of vitamin D more powerful than vitamin D2, which is also another form of the vitamin D that is naturally produced by the skin when exposed to sunlight, and also, it is abundant in food items such as eggs and fatty fish, for example, sardines and salmon, and smaller amounts are found in cheese. The famous function of vitamin D3 is to help build strong bones and teeth by regulating the levels of calcium and phosphorus in the blood, but vitamin D also has antidepressant properties, and it can help boost the production of hormones such as serotonin and dopamine in the brain. Vitamin D3 also plays a role in helping the brain, heart, stomach, pancreas, skin, and reproductive organs to carry out their normal functions. Vitamin D also plays an important role in immunity, and a lack of vitamin D is believed to cause problems such as high blood pressure, some cancers such as colon and prostate cancer, heart disease, type 1 diabetes, and rheumatoid arthritis. Now that we have all this information on vitamin D3 or vitamin D, let's take a look at the role of vitamin K in the body before we discuss the benefits of the synergy between vitamin D3 and vitamin K. Vitamin K. Vitamin K is most commonly known for its function in blood clotting. If there were no vitamin K, a person would just continue to bleed, draining all the blood from their body. Also, vitamin K is actually a group of compounds, and vitamin K2, also called menaquinone, is among one of these notable compounds. Vitamin K2 is most abundant in fermented foods and animal products such as egg yolks, chicken, and liver. Some vitamin K2 is also made by the good bacteria in our gut. Now that we have some information on vitamin K2 as well, let's now take a look at why both vitamin D3 and vitamin K2 are better together. Vitamin K2 is needed for the synthesis of key bone proteins. Both vitamins K2 and D3 help to maintain strong bones. Without vitamin K2, the bones start to produce an abnormal protein that cannot bind to the minerals that normally form bones, and this then results in low bone density, which can then cause osteoporosis. Also, when combined with vitamin K2, vitamin D3 moves calcium into the bones where it is needed the most and prevents it from being deposited into your arteries and blood vessels, and thus prevents blockages from forming, and you also benefit from better blood flow and circulation. Now, not only does a combination of D3 and K2 help with strong bones, but they help to support a healthy immune system and promote cognitive function as well as provide antioxidant protection. Now, the likely question after all this information is that, do you need to take vitamin D3 and K2 supplements? Well, the general answer is no. This is because as long as you are eating healthy, nutritious, and a combination of different foods in your diet that provide these vitamins, you do not require supplements as you will get all the vitamins you need from the foods you eat. Also, in general, it is better to obtain vitamins from food itself rather than supplements, as the use of supplements can often lead to toxicity issues, but with food, toxicity issues are highly unlikely, if not impossible. So, if you want to get the benefits of vitamin D3 and vitamin K2, you need to incorporate the foods that contain them in your diet, and you will be good to go. If you have a deficiency in any of these vitamins, only then supplements are recommended, but that will be recommended to you by your doctor after looking at your lab results. Because there is absolutely no need for you to take supplements if you are already getting enough of it from your food. Moreover, vitamin D and vitamin K are fat-soluble vitamins, which means that any excess of these will be stored in the body, and so you do not need to eat foods which contain them every day to reap the benefits of the vitamins D3 and K2. Until next time, take care.